Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So I installed this tub last year and it is now leaking. So after taking the tub out, I figured out why it's leaking. So this is what happens when you roll the dice on buying something secondhand. So this wound up leaking in this area here that I'm pointing to. So I tightened down the nut as per the way that this is designed, and I'll show you what I found after I removed this nut. Now I didn't notice this at the time that I put the drain assembly on for this tub. So where I'm pointing to, there is a hairline crack in the tub. Now I didn't notice this crack when I did the install for this tub, but it took about a quarter of this tub being full for this drip to develop to be noticeable. So when I tested it, I didn't put that much water into it because it's extremely rare for me to have a leak when it comes to a tub. So here is the drain assembly. You see the nice bead of silicone that is all the way around. So the silicone wasn't the issue. I thought maybe that might have been the problem, but the silicone was fine on this one. Guys, remember, you don't want to go crazy with the silicone. But we can see the crack here. It has gone far enough where this is for the overflow. That's why you see the gap between the two parts for the inside of the tub and the back side of the tub. The only way to properly fix something like this is to get a tub doctor, which is a person that works on acrylic tubs. Otherwise, it won't be approved. But guys, that is your quick tip of the week.